Hello YouTube, Zachnafinacanite here, and today I made another shirt. This one I've actually been looking forward to making a while now, actually, especially since I'm almost done with the original Dark Shadows show. There's like 26 collections with Barnabas, and then like, what was it, 5, 6, 7 collections prior to him. They're seasons, but I call them collections since evidently there's been an episode every weekday when it was around. But this is, this is the shirt. And this is one of those deals where, especially with, I might make my Rosetta Stone shirt, remake that the same way again, but one of these deals where I wind up having to use a black Sharpie before I paint, just so that I spell it right and all. But this shirt actually has no sleeves to it, so that was another alteration I did, just because A, I think it just looks better that way, B, it'll help me in the heat, which that means I get to wear this more, so that's always a plus. And say what you will about the Tim Burton remake, I think it's funnier if you're younger, but it was really meant to be more of a tragedy than anything else. Just because, well, first of all, it's a soap opera. Second of all, it's about vampires, which that's about as tragic as you can get. And there is tragic elements to the Tim Burton version. I mean, it's a Tim Burton movie. How could there not be? But, you know, in hindsight, it's just it's pretty juvenile shit. Okay, maybe I'll look back on it from time to time a little fondly. A little, maybe. But I definitely think I have much more of an admiration for what the original and even the 90s revival show accomplished, as opposed to what was essentially just a Saturday Night Live skit featuring his then wife and a friend of his that, to my knowledge, hangs out with convicted child killers. You're definitely a drunk, I know that much. But yeah, I'm happy with how this turned out. I can never remember the exact pattern of the D or the S, but I guess it helps knowing that I've got, especially this day and age, it's so much easier to do goth DIYs, especially if you're just straight up contriving your own shirts, because you've got an internet, you've got the internet, which is worlds easier than just going out and, especially these days, going out at all, to the library and flipping through whatever pages, looking for the right font or whatever, sifting through your DVD collection, looking for the right kind of, you know what I mean. There's times where I definitely take what I have for granted, but I don't know. I mean, it's yeah, I don't know. It seems like it's easier, but in some ways it's kind of a little harder because, well, I was going to say, if it weren't for the pandemic, maybe it would be easier to have some friends to help you, but then it wouldn't be much of a DIY. It feels much more independent to do it this way than some other brand. I actually just got reached out on Instagram by some brand company or whatever that was asking to collab with me over my, it's hanging over there, my mask that I painted with some black paint. All I did was splatter some black paint on a white surgeon mask that I forgot I even had at first. And they're reaching out to me over that, really? Anybody can do it, and honestly, it's never been easier until now, so all these excuses, even if goth were aesthetically based, there's really no excuse for idleness. Especially, we've got all the time we need now in quarantine, especially. So, if anything, you should at least focus on the positive of that. Yeah, make a day out of it. If you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching, and I love you all.